Pull up that clip.
I hear from creators all the time that Instagram simply has too many features, and it's exhausting to try to figure out which you should use and which you shouldn't. So today I wanted to create a quick video giving some advice about what features to use and what features you might want to ignore. Now, it all starts with what your goals are with using Instagram. Are you trying to sell something? Are you trying to evangelize a cause? Are you trying to get people to come to your shows if you gig around the country? Whatever it is that you want to accomplish with Instagram, you should evaluate all the different features we build through the lens of whether or not it helps you achieve that goal. So let's start with photos. If you're a photographer or you're creative and the primary way that you express yourself is through still photographs, great, please post photos. Contrary to common belief, lots of people consume lots of photos on Instagram. It's almost half of what people consume. Now, if you want to increase your reach a little bit, a couple pieces of advice. One, try carousels. Posting multiple photos at once can make it a richer experience. It also gives that feed post multiple chances to show up in your followers' feeds. And two, if you really want to experiment, try adding music to photos and carousels, which can make that experience more engaging. Now, if on the other hand, you create content that is naturally better suited to video or reels, like you're a comedian and you do stand-up, or you're a musician and you perform, then please post reels on Instagram, because in general, the good news is for you that people are more interested in video than photos. They're just more engaging. Now, if you're a photographer and there's no good way to make videos about your photographs, then don't do it. That's totally okay. But if you're lucky enough where a video is aligned with what you naturally produce, please lean in, it'll help you. Next, stories. In a world where people are inundated with overly processed content, a lot of what people want to see from you as a creator is a little bit of an authentic insight into what it is like to be in your shoes. So for behind the scenes type of content, how do you make what you make? What does it look like backstage before you get on and perform? This is an amazing way to reach your audience. Now, if you are precious about your brand and it doesn't make sense to share that behind the scenes content, then don't. It's totally fine not to use stories. Lastly, channels, one of the newest features, a great way to reach your most passionate followers. I would guess that on average, maybe 1/10 of your followers will actually subscribe to your channel, maybe more, but it's not going to be everybody because you're actually buzzing their pocket. So if you've got content that not all your followers want to see, but your most passionate subset do, use channels. Otherwise, don't worry about it. Now, I also want to remind you that though people focus a lot on reach, and that makes sense, it's important that whatever you do on Instagram is an overlap or at the overlap of what you want to achieve in terms of your goals, like I stated at the beginning, and what your followers want to see. If your followers want to see it, but it's not aligned with your goals, don't do it. If it's aligned with your goals and your followers don't want to see it, then it's not going to get much reach over time. You need to find that sweet spot, that overlap between what you want out of the platform and what your followers want to see from you. Let me know down below in the comments what you think, which features you love, which you'd like to see that are not built yet, and which maybe you'd like to see us deprecate over time. And I'll see you all next week. Peace.
This is the best video on the internet today.